knees are bothering me today. Heck, could get old. Thought I'd make a little quick video while I got some quiet time. Got my GoPro here in my hand. I've been having trouble with the battery on this GoPro, not holding up like it used to. I'm not getting near as much length of time out of my battery than I used to. It's been a quite faithful video camera for several years now. I'm thinking on the lines of getting the, this is a Hero 4 Sessions. I'm going to get me a GoPro Hero 7 Black. And it's got more stabilization to the video, plus a better quality video, they say. It's got a little monitor on it. And as shaky as I get sometimes with my videos, I could use the extra stabilization. And from the video reviews I've seen, it works pretty darn good. It costs about $300. So I got to pinch my pennies and get them all gathered up to such time as I can buy one. But today I got this A YABO. This little package came in the mail. It's a microphone that I ordered to go with this Hero, but I didn't realize I might be replacing it. But it's only a $20 microphone. It'll probably work with the new one for that matter if it's needed. My little Amazon Prime thing, they just throw everything in air bubble envelopes this year. This is called a MOVO GM100 GoPro mic. So it's an aftermarket item. But I thought we'd try it out. I mean, if I could figure out how to work the darn thing. Yeah, right. I can't even get the box open. How does it work? Must have some glue on it. Nope. It just made to tear up. They want you to tear the package up these days so you can't return your item. I wouldn't waste my time returning a $20 item anyway. You just about got to rip the box into shreds to get it open. It's a little lavalier microphone with a, well, there's a book in there, but we're not going to read that right now. Comes with a little duplicate to plug in the camera, so let's try that. I guess I got to take the camera out of the case. I wonder, I've never had a microphone hooked up to it. Let's see if it recognizes it or what. What a crock. You know, well, that thing don't even fit my GoPro. That's a different kind of plug. GoPro mic, my toes. Well, you know what? That ain't going to work. I wonder if I can plug it into that Sony camera y'all are looking at me on. Well, it didn't work in either camera. It said in the commercial when I bought this thing that it would fit a GoPro. Sure won't fit my GoPro. It's got a USB plug on it, a little miniature USB plug. But that ain't what's on this camera. Anyway, if I get my Hero 7 Black, you're supposed to have all that with it, or the capability of doing that. And then you can also change the batteries in it. The one downfall on the Hero 7 Black, they claim the batteries won't last but about an hour, so they tell you right up front to order 3 or 4 batteries so you can get through the day videoing. The downfall on this thing is now that the battery's getting wore out, you can't change it. Might as well throw this thing at one of them birds out there. It still works, but it just won't last a very long time. I'll continue to use it around here, but I've messed up 2 or 3 videos with it now, trying to get completed on a vlog. And look back there and find out I've been talking for 10 minutes and the thing ain't even going. I put it on my cell phone charger in the back to see if that's got more amperage. Maybe it would charge better than charging off my computer. I don't think it makes no difference. Got a little scratch on the lens I hadn't seen before. Many times as I've dropped it, just wonder if it's even got a lens. Anyway, this Hero 4 Sessions has been a good video. It's been a good video camera. I depend on it a lot when I should be using my Honey Sandy cam. I'm twisted, tongue-tied today. My Honey Sandy cam. Oh my goodness. Well, I won't be doing any omnidirectional microphoning with this cotton picking thing. Good thing I only paid $20 for it. A MOVO. The little microphone that you can get from GoPro itself costs like $50 or $60 to have an external microphone. But they claim the Hero 4, the Hero 7 Black is got better audio on it. It's got 2 or 3 microphones on it in different sides. So maybe it'll work pretty good without a microphone. That's been the drawback on this Hero 4 Sessions. The volume is really low unless you're right up close to it. Well, thanks Amazon for lying to me. Yeah, it fits a GoPro real good. Just don't fit my GoPro. I bet that's... Might be able to plug it into a computer. They might make a little adapter, which is a pain, to switch from this side to that size plug. I'm just going to throw it in the drawer in there and write it off as a not worth my time piece of junk. Just better put this back in there before I lose it. A genuine MOVO piece of junk. I've been outside already today and watered my tomato plants because I forgot to water them yesterday. And, got out there around my gardenia bush that I've been trying to get to recover for the last year or better. Found honeysuckle vines growing on in it. And I was out there yanking them honeysuckle vines off the thing, cutting at them, cutting them off down toward the ground. The main big root I found under there. Great big root. I chopped it. I guess it's been growing under there all along, that root. I don't know how to separate that from the gardenia. Maybe I could put some Roundup down in there on them roots. But anyway, I was digging in them vines and I got to thinking about, not that long ago, that was poison oak. So I hurried and got done and came in here and washed my hands really good. Maybe I didn't come down with nothing. There was all kind of weeds and bushes I was pulling up under there without my gloves on. They claim poison oak or poison ivy. If you get the tar washed off your skin pretty quick after it's on you, it won't bother you none. Evidently, it's like a thick tar that sticks in your skin, and if you don't get that off, it'll just get right in your bloodstream. Anyway, not much of a vlog here today. I got a video uploading in there now about brown thrashers splashing around out here in the bird bath. Well, I've been sitting here thinking about it. We're going to town today and buy the camera I want. The Hero 7 Black. I hope it works out. The next video the Pwalpar makes might just be with my Hero 7 GoPro. We'll put a clip on the end of this one. You're looking at me through a Sony Handycam now. We do one little final video with my little Hero 4 GoPro, just so we have some comparison to compare by. It's been a good camera, but the batteries don't hold up where they flip. As many videos as I make for my viewers out there, I want something that I can depend on. This Pwalpar saying y'all stand by for some upcoming videos on GoPro.
Oh,